Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, I'm Roxy G. This video is going to be about Kaja Beauty. They are a new Korean beauty line. Right now they have makeup products that they have released. I'm not sure if they're going to tap into skincare, but as of right now, it's color cosmetics. I love Korean beauty. So when these came out, I was super excited. They are available exclusively for Sephora. I don't have the whole collection. I just have a few items here that really stood out to me that I wanted to try out. And I was very lucky to get. So that's what I'm going to be reviewing today. Let's get started. Okay guys, so I do have foundation on, a little bit of setting powder, and a little bit of contour. I always like to contour my jawline and my forehead because it's pretty long. I do also have mascara on already. What I don't have is blush, highlighter, eyeshadow, concealer, and that is what I have here from Kaja. So I purposely did that. I'm gonna go ahead and start with it's their blush here. And it is a blendable blush, and they refer to it as Cheeky Stamp, and now we're gonna find out why. Okay, so this is so cute. It is like a little sponge-like material. It's a bit firmer than a beauty blender. I would imagine it would have to be because it's a stamp. And then on the other side, okay, so, and it is a little sponge. A little stampy sponge. So now I'm gonna get my heart. This is taking me back to Fafi. Yes, it's taking me back to Fafi. Okay, so I put more on my cheeks just to really live out the cute little Korean Fafi fantasy. I don't really recommend using the little stamp that it came with to blend the blush. Just wouldn't recommend it. It's like just way too firm. It literally is just a stamp on like the product. Okay, so now I'm gonna use their concealer, and this one is called Don't Settle Flexible and Seamless Concealer, and this is in the color Mooncake. I love that name, Mooncake. That is so cute. You always want your concealer to be a little bit lighter than your foundation. This is definitely lighter than my foundation, but I just hope that it's not too light. First impressions, it is blendable. It's very, that's what it says on here, right? Right. Yeah, flexible and seamless concealer. Oh, and moisturizing. Now I'm gonna take a makeup drop silicone blender. And I like to use the little corner of the blender like that. And just kind of tap. I like it. I'm really impressed actually. I feel like I just like kind of got like some more pep in my face. Like I just like woke up. I like it. And again, that is in the color Mooncake. Next I'm going to use their Mochi Glow. So cute, Mochi. So cute. Bouncy blendable highlighter in the color 03 Luna. And the packaging is cute once again. Okay, I am a little bit disappointed because on their box, on the packaging, it does say that it is bouncy. I expected kind of like a jelly highlighter, but this is like hard as a rock, and it's just your regular typical powder highlighter. So I don't think they should have put bouncy on the packaging, my personal opinion, because if you're gonna put bouncy, it's kind of like a cushion type product. I feel like a jelly-like, cream-like highlighter, not like a powder one. So that's my only con so far, my only complaint about the little Mochi Glow, but let's see how it works. And I forgot to mention this, that their products are supposed to be on-the-go products. So you're supposed to be able to Like just jam them all in your purse last minute, and or just keep them in your purse so that when you're on the go or when you're traveling, you can just bust out these cute little miniature items and just get ready, so they're all like travel friendly. As you can see, this highlighter is not very pigmented. If you prefer to blind people with your highlighter, this one is not for you. Now I'm gonna go into the eyes. Their eyeshadow is called Beauty Bento. That is so cute. This is an assortment of eyeshadows, and again, it's called Beauty Bento, and it's Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. This one has 3 shades in it. Shade 01 is called Sandy Peach. This one here is called Sun-Kissed Tan 02. And 03 is Baked Cinnamon. You guys, anything that's cute and food related, I'm just done. I'm done. I like this. Now this is what it looks like all open. The colors look so good. Okay, they're all shimmery, so there's nothing for me to really use as like a base or transition shade. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to use Kaja eyeshadows only, so I'm going to go in with Sun-Kissed Tan. Ooh. Okay, this is, I'm so not used to this. I would definitely put my eyeshadow on a little bit differently, but I'm not like completely mad at it. Anyone make this face when they put makeup on? Girl, I make the ugliest faces when I put makeup on. So like I said, these colors are very shimmery. Now I don't know if you like that or not. I do, but I like a shimmer more when I'm gonna go out at night. Now I'm gonna go in with Baked Cinnamon. Oh, and by the way, there is a name for the entire color scheme. So even though there's Sandy Peach, Sun-Kissed Tan, and Baked Cinnamon, the name for this whole set is called Orange Blossom. But now I'm going in with the Baked Cinnamon, which is like a darker shade. I do not feel like my eyeshadow is complete unless I highlight the corner of my eyes and the little arch of my eyebrow bone. So I'm gonna take this color, Sandy Peach, and I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Eye Smudger brush. There it is, guys, eyeshadow by Kaja. So that's my little review on Kaja Beauty. I was missing some other things from the lines. But for now, I just wanted to go ahead and review what was most interesting to me. So that's it for this video, guys. This is my Korean Beauty Kaja Sparkling Dewy Inspired look. I tied it all together with some lip gloss. Be sure to subscribe if you have not. Like this video if you enjoyed it and found it useful. And that's it. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!